Welcome back, Year 3. It's Mrs. Pierce. This is session 4 and we're adding fractions. Here's our in focus. Holly ate 1 slice of the pizza. Sam ate 3 slices of the pizza. How much pizza did they eat? Okay, there are lots of different ways that you could show your thinking today. I want you to remember that you could do a drawing in your journal, write some word sentences, use a number line or a part whole model, a bar model or a number sentence. Okay, I'd like you to think about showing your thinking in as many ways as possible. Pause the video now while you journal. Okay, we're looking at the Let's Learn. Each piece of this pizza is 1/4 or 1/4 of the pizza. Okay, each piece is one of a total of 4 parts. Holly ate 1/4 of the pizza and Sam ate 3/4 of the pizza. The total number of pieces that there were stays the same. The number at the top, which we call the numerator, is the one that changes. Together, Holly and Sam ate 4/4 of the pizza. And here you can see that using a bar makes it really simple for us to see what's happening. 1/4 and 3/4. 1/4 add 3/4 equals 4/4. Because we've got all of the parts, that's also equal to 1. Looking at something different here, Ruby says 1/6 and 3/6 equal 4/6. We've got a lovely bar representation. We can see 1/6 and 3/6. All together that gives us 4/6. And here it's written as a number sentence. Only the numerator, the number at the top, is changing. The total number of parts at the bottom stays the same. There were 6 parts to begin with. There were 6 parts available when we added some, and we still are counting how many out of those 6 parts. Okay, Hannah says 1/7 and 3/7 equals blank sevenths. 1/7 and 3/7. So we've got our 1/7 shaded here, our 3/7 shaded over here. How many altogether? That's right, 4/7. Question 4 is asking us if we have 1/7, add something, add 3/7, that will equal 1/2. What's the missing part? Here's a bar which lays it out really well for us. 1/7, add 1, 2, 3/7, add 3/7 equals 1/2. Okay, you're ready for guided practice. I want you to make sure that you talk to somebody about your thinking, even if you find this straightforward. Remember, we're adding parts of the same whole. Okay, so if we're working with fifths, we're going to stay with fifths. If we're working with sevenths, we're going to stay with sevenths. For question 2, we looked at this in the in focus in session 2, making 1/2. We looked at pairs that would add up to make 1/2. So you've had a practice at this one already. Pause the video while you have a go at the guided practice. Well done. Moving on to the worksheet now. This is the independent part of your learning when you can show what you know. If you're feeling really confident with this, I'd like you to make sure you use some other representation. That might be a part whole model or a bar model. And if you're finding it a bit tricky, I think using a bar model would be a good way of working through your thinking. Pause the video now while you work through this. Okay, good job. Ready to mark your answers? Here we go. I'd love to see some of your drawings, some of your representations. Remember, showing what you know in lots of different ways really tells me that you're feeling confident with this learning. If you are finding it tricky, maybe ask your grown-up to email in and we can talk about it. Take care for now.